Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the solutions of the test which I took on the topic algebraic expressions. So let's start. So let's go question by question. Question number one. Question number one is identify terms and factors in the expression given below. So you have to find the number of terms and what are the factors of these expressions. So let's take 1 plus x square. So in the given algebraic expression, how many terms are there? There are three terms. How do I know there are three terms? Because terms are separated by plus and minus sign. So how many things are getting separated? So this is one, this is two, this is three. So that's why there are three terms in this algebraic expression. Okay. Let's and When we talk about what are the factors of this algebraic expression, so we will come to that in the second part of it. So second question, let's take this second question. 1.2ab minus 2.4b plus 3.6a, and I have to find the terms. Again, the number of terms in this algebraic expression is three. This is first term, this is second term, and this is third term, because by the definition terms are separated by plus and minus sign. So there are three terms in this algebraic expression. Okay. Let's go to the question number two. Identify the numerical coefficients of the terms in the following expressions other than constants. So they are saying you what we have to find in question number two. We have to identify what are the coefficients of the terms. So first of all, I have to find how many terms are there. There are two terms. What are those two terms? 13y square. So those are 13y square and minus 8yx. What is the coefficient of the variables? So what is the variable part here? Variable part here is y square and yx. So what is the coefficient of y square? What is that constant part which is getting multiplied to y square? It is 13, and here it is minus 8. So the coefficient of y square is your 13 and coefficient of your yx is minus 8. That should be your answer. Let's look at the question number second. It is 1 plus t square plus t cube. In this again, the number of terms, first of all, I'll identify. So here in the question, they have already mentioned, they have already specified other than constant term. You have to find the coefficients of the terms which has variable. So this was my constant term, so I'm not going to consider this. The other non-constant terms are t square, t cube. So the variable part here is t square and t cube. Which constant is getting multiplied to this t square, t cube? It is 1 in all the three cases, right? So the answer is 1, 1, 1. Let's move to the third question. Classify into monomials, binomials, and trinomials. So by definition, we know monomial is an algebraic expression which has one term. Binomial is an algebraic expression which has two terms. Okay, and then trinomial is an algebraic expression which has your three terms. Okay, so now let's see which has one term, two term, or three term. So in my first question, it is 4p square q minus 4p q square, right? So when I look at this question, I could see that there are only two terms here, so that's why it's a binomial. Okay, let's go to the second question. Your second question is x plus y minus xy. Okay. So how many terms are getting separated by plus and minus sign? So there are three terms in this, and so since there are three terms, it's a trinomial. Okay. It's a trinomial, and what are those three terms? X, y, and minus xy. Now let's go to the third part. A square plus b. A square plus b. How many terms are there? So here there are two terms, a square and b. So that's why it's a binomial. So let's now look at the fourth question, 100. 100 is just a single term. There is no plus and minus sign in this, and that's why it's just a monomial. Okay, and it's an algebraic expression because it's made up of constant. So it's a monomial term. So these are your answers. If you have given the correct answer with the correct explanation, you will get full on full. Okay, now question number fourth. Let's go to the question number fourth. Simplify combining like terms. So they are asking you to simplify by combining the like terms. Let's first write the question. First question is 3a minus 2b minus ab minus a minus b plus ab plus 3ab plus b, wait, yes, plus b minus a. So this is the question which is given to us. So first of all, any question you solve, first solve for the brackets. So once I solve for the brackets, it would be 3a minus 2b minus ab minus a, minus into minus will give me plus b, minus into plus will give me minus ab plus 3ab plus b minus a. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at the variables part of this. This is a, this is b, ab, a, b, AB, AB, BA. So I've just written the variable part of each each term. Okay. So this is the variable part. Why I have written this? So that I can group all the terms which have same variables together, because those will be my like terms. So if I let's group A together first. 3A minus A minus a, correct? So I've grouped a terms together. Then plus, I'm going to group b terms together. So minus 2b. I'm just cutting out those terms which I'm writing. So don't get confused. Why am I cutting? So minus 2b. Then this is also b term plus b plus b. Okay. And then I'm going to group two AB terms together. So it would be minus AB plus 3AB. Okay. So all the like terms I have grouped together. I'll just remove the cut sign. So I don't want you guys to get confused here. So yeah. Okay. Now since I club all the like terms put together, what I'm going to do, I'm take the coefficient of each term and write it together. So 3 is 3, minus a is minus 1, minus a is minus 1, and I'm going to write a outside. Again same for this bracket also, minus 2 plus 1 will be plus minus 1 plus 3ab. So now if I do 3 minus 1, which is 3 minus 2, so I'm just going to write 3 minus 2 will, which will give me 1. So it would be 1 into A plus minus 2 plus 1 will cancel out. So 0 into B will give me 0 only. So I don't have to write anything here. So minus 2 plus 3 will give me 1. So it would be 1 into AB. So my answer will be A plus AB. If you have done this, you will get the full marks. These are the steps which you are supposed to follow. Now let's take the question number second and solve it. The question number second is 3y square plus 5y minus 4 minus 8y minus y square minus 4. Okay, if these are the two algebraic expressions, so what I have to do is I have to, again, as I've told you, always open the brackets. Here I can write 3y square plus 5y minus 4 as it is. Now there is a minus sign outside the bracket. It means that this minus sign has to be multiplied with each term inside the bracket. So minus into plus 8y will give me minus 8y. Minus into minus will give me plus y square. Minus into minus will give me plus 4. Again, we will do the same drill. We will write the variable part under it, y. This is a constant term, y square, it's a constant term. So let's group them together. So it would be 3y square plus y square, then plus 5y. Now I'm grouping y terms, minus 8y. Now I'm just grouping the constant terms, minus 4 plus 4. Okay, so again my next step is to add the coefficients of these variable terms. So 3 plus 1y square, 5 minus 8y, plus minus 4 plus 4 gives me 0. So I'll write 0 as it is. Here 3 plus 1 is 4y square, minus 8 plus 5 will give me minus 3y. So my answer will be 4y square minus 3y. That's your answer. Cool, guys. If you have given this answer, your answer is correct. You will get the full marks. Now let's go to the next question is to add. So let's do question number 5th, first part. You have to add 3p square q square minus 4pq plus 5. This is one expression they have given. Then they have given the another expression is minus 10p square q square. And third expression is 15 plus 9pq plus 7p square q square. Okay. So let me just check whether I have taken down the correct question or not. Cool. Again, the process will be same, guys, which we have done in the previous. It is 4p square q square minus 4pq plus 5. Now I have to add this expression with this expression and this expression. So I just have to add, put the plus operator, and then I'm going to write minus 10p square q square, and then again plus operator 15 plus 9pq plus 7p square q square. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, again the same procedure. Find out the variable part of each term. It is p square q square. Here it is pq, it's a constant term. Here it is p square q square, constant term, pq and p square q square. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to group the like terms together. 3p square q square plus 7p square q square, and wait, mine. So first this term, then this term and these terms. This three are like terms. So minus 10 p square q square. Okay. So this I have grouped p square q square terms together. Now another variable is pq. So I have to group these terms together. It would be minus 4pq plus 9pq. And now I have to group the constant terms together. That is 5 plus 15. Okay. Now my next step will be to take the coefficients in the brackets. It would be 3 plus 7 minus 10 p square q square, plus minus 4 plus 9 pq plus 5 plus 15 will directly, I'll write 20 here. 7 plus 3 is 10. Wait, I'll write, use another pen. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 10 will give me 0. So I'll just cancel out this. 9 minus 4 gives me 5. So my answer will be 5pq plus 20. That is your answer if you add these three algebraic expressions together. Okay. Let's move to the second part of the addition, which is, I'm going to write the question here. So the second part is 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13 is the one algebraic expression, and another one is 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy is your second expression, and third expression is 4xy. So you have to add these expressions. So we are going to follow the same steps which we have done in the previous question. Just put first of all addition operator between these three algebraic expressions, which will be 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13 plus 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy plus 4xy. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write the variable terms of each part, which will be x, y, xy, xy, xy and xy. Here this is constant and this is constant. Now again we have to group the like terms together. What I'm going to do, 14x, and first of all I'm grouping first the x terms. So 14x minus 7x, correct? That is the like term. So I'm just going to write it in one, group them together. Then second like term is plus. I'm going to group y terms together. So it is 10y, and minus 10y. Correct. Now I'm going to group xy terms together. So it would be minus 12xy plus 8xy. So this and this term. And then I'm going to group the constant terms together, which will be minus 13 plus 18. Okay, so this and this. So I'm going to, okay guys, we have left one term of xy, which is 4xy. Thank God I have, so it will be plus 4xy. So here enter plus 4xy, okay. So finally, since I have grouped them together, now you know what we have to do. We have to take the coefficients of each variable term and add it together. So it would be 14 minus 7x plus 10y minus 10y will give me 0, minus 12 plus 8 plus 4xy plus minus 30, wait, minus 13 plus 18. Okay, so here 14 minus 7 will give me, so 14 minus 7 will give me 7, so it would be 7x. Minus 12 plus 8 plus 4 will give me 0, so it would be 0 into xy will give me 0, and 18 minus 13 will give me plus 5. So 7x plus 5 is your answer. Okay, I hope it is understood. Now let's do the question number 6th. Okay, which is, guys, just a second, I think yes. Yes, let's do the question number 6th, where we have to subtract. Okay, so these are subtraction can be tricky questions because here you have to take care of the minus sign very properly. So let's look at the first question. So first question is, I have to subtract AB minus 5 from B 5 minus A. So basically what I have to do, B 5 minus A of B minus 5, correct? Now, first step, we all know, open the brackets. If I open the brackets, it will give me 5 into B will give me 5B. B into A will give me AB minus, I'm just writing A into B will give me AB. A into minus 5 will give me minus 5A. Okay. Now, I'll just, when I open this bracket where minus is outside because this is a minus operator. Now, when I open this bracket, this minus operator will get multiplied to first term and second term, both the terms. So it would be minus into plus AB will give me minus AB. Minus into minus will give me plus 5A. Okay. So here, very important thing is to take care of the minus sign. If minus sign is here outside the bracket, you always have to multiply the minus sign with the each term inside your brackets. Okay, again, the same drill, we will check what are the variables. It's B, AB and A. So B doesn't have, we can't group 5B term with anything because there are no like terms. Here AB and AB, they are like terms, so I'll just group them together, minus AB and minus AB. And plus 5 is also alone, so I'll just write 5 as it is. 5B, here the coefficients is minus 1, AB plus 5A. And finally, my answer will be 5B. Minus 1 plus minus 1 will give me minus 2AB plus 5A. That is your answer. Now let's look at the question number 6, second part. The question is saying 4PQ minus 5Q square minus 3P square. You have to subtract this expression from 5P square plus 3Q square minus PQ. Okay, so I have to subtract this algebraic expression from this algebraic expression. So how we have to write? Look here. So first of all, I'll just put the subtraction operator PQ minus the entire 4PQ minus 5Q square minus 3P square. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the brackets minus into plus will give me minus 4 pq, minus uh, minus into plus 4pq will give me minus 4pq, minus into minus will give me plus 5q square, and then your minus into minus again will give you plus 3p square. Okay. Again, writing the variable parts: p square, q square, pq, pq, q square, p square. So basically, there are three variables in the entire algebraic expression. Group the same variable terms: 5p square. Wait, I want to write this in black. So I'll write 5p square plus 3p square, correct? Now I'm going to group the q square terms together, 3q square plus 5q square, and I'm going to club the pq terms together, so minus pq minus 4pq. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the coefficients of these variable terms. So it would be 3 plus 5 p square, 3 plus 5 q square, then plus minus 1 minus 4 pq. So it would be 5 plus 3 is 8 p square, 5 plus 3 is 8 q square, minus 1 minus 4 will give you minus 5 pq. That's the answer, guys. This is the answer for you. Okay. Now let's move to the last question, which is question number 7. Simplify the expressions and find the value of x if x is equals to 2. So here you have to first simplify the equation expressions, and then you have to find the value of the expression if x is equals to 2. So let's look at the first question. 3x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. How will you simplify this? Because brackets is there, so first we will open the brackets. It would be 3x, 3 into 2 is 6, plus 5x minus 7. Like terms together, take them together: 3x plus 5x plus 6 minus 7, 8x minus 1. Okay, now you have to put x is equals to 2 here. Okay, so please read the question properly. They are saying simplify the expression. So first you have to simplify the equation, and then you have to put x is equals to 2. Okay, so if I put x is equals to 2 here, so it will be 8 into 2 minus 1, which will be 16, minus 1 will be 15. 15 will be your answer. Let's look at the second part. Second is x square plus 2x plus 1. Here there is nothing to simplify, so I'm just going to put x is equals to 2. So 2 ka whole square plus 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 ka whole square is 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1, which will give me the answer as 2 twos are 4 plus 4 plus 1, which is equals to 9. 9 is your answer here. That's it, guys. These are the solutions of the paper. Please go through the solutions and see the mistakes what you have made in your question paper. And yeah, that's it. Bye.